everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox the September paper pumpkin by Stampin' Up. And Stampin' Up does this monthly subscription, and it has a couple different plans. You can choose from the month to month, which is $22 per month, or you can do prepaid subscriptions. For 1 month it's $21, for 3 months it's $63, for 6 months it's $144, and for a year it's $220. If you are interested, I am an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator, and I'll put the link down below. Okay, so let's open this. So let's see, this is the September box, and it comes with some stamps, a little Stampin' Spot. This is Cajun Craze. And then it comes with instructions. Not this one, this isn't the instructions. This is a next month's box, just like a little preview. So let's see here. Let's put this aside here. And then here are the instructions. Okay, so this is Hello Pumpkin instructions, and it's little treats. These are super cute. Okay, let's open it. So it comes with this black and white, looks like twine, and then some dimensionals, and then some little glue dots, and some little like strips of adhesive. And here are the treat box. These are super cute. Oh, I love the cats. Oh my goodness, so cute. And some more little cutouts. More here. Oh, this goes there. So you get 4 of these sheets. You get 2 of these. 2 of the cats and the flowers. And then 2 sheets of these ones. 1 sheet of this. Oh, this is cute. 1 sheet of the witches' hats. Oh, the pumpkins. I love pumpkins. And then you get 4 sheets of the pumpkins and the banners. And then 1 sheet of these little squiggly thingies. And then 2 sheets of these. And then the instructions are in the back right here. Oh, if I can get them out. Oh, so cute. So you don't have to do exactly what the instructions tell you. I mean, you can do your own thing. But like for beginner, you know, these are really easy instructions to follow and make these cute little treats. But here, it gives you, so this is, your kit includes this, like to make these treats, but you can also do more with this kit. You can make cards and stuff. Super cute. Yeah, so let's make one of these treats real quick. Okay. So let's see here. How do you do this? Okay. So I'm just gonna pop these out. Whoop. And I'm gonna fold it. I'm just going to follow what it says on the instructions. And then I'm going to put adhesive strip on the outside flap of the cracker box, close to the folded edge, overlap one full section of the box, adhere to make a tube, tip, firmly press on both sides of the paper to secure the adhesive strip. Okay, so we're going to do that. To align it the best you can. And then I guess these go in like that. And then we're going to tie these with twine. It says to use 12 inches of twine. Okay, so now we're going to embellish this. Let's see what we have here. I really like the pumpkins, so I think I'm going to add some pumpkins. Let me see. We'll do Hello Pumpkin. This. Okay, so I'm going to use the little Stampin' Spot and Cajun Craze. Oops. There we go. And then I'm going to pop it up right there because I want to put one of these cute pumpkins. Oh, you know what? Let's try the smaller one. Yeah. Okay, let's pop the pumpkin up first. Then let's see. Put some of these little squigglies. Yeah. there you have it, really simple, cute treat box. Again, you don't have to make these. You can make, you can use the embellishments for making a card or anything. But again, if you are interested in this subscription box, I will leave the link below in the description box. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you later. Bye.